legal as well as emotional approach. I led Bayer before the university. The entire history of our institution, Mandrem College, Parishad, which is a 40-year-old institute. I explained how we struggled to raise that institute from the pre-primary level to the college level today. I explained to them that we started at college only after the government of Goa gave us the approval and the university gave us affiliation. And once we got these two things, the requirements of a new college are fulfilled. We are then promoted to the recognized college status. We become an established college. So second year, the government university, following that principle, granted a second year affiliation. And thereafter, the government of Goa withdraws the NOC. So I question that withdrawal. On what ground was it withdrawn? On two grounds. It said that the Mandrem College is less than 7 kilometers from the government college. A falsehood. I showed it to them, it is 23 kilometers and more. So that part was gone. Second part was there are other colleges. I said there are discrimination. This is discrimination. There are many more colleges we have allowed elsewhere. Colleges with a distance of 3 kilometers, 2 kilometers and 1 kilometer. How could you prevent Mandrem College from that ground? And third, I said the same government note says that this college could be run on self-financing basis. We applied for reconsideration of that, whatever order they had passed. And the government reconsidered it. They revived our NOC. And the question was only about whether grants would be given to us or not. The government started inquiring about the number of students that we had. And ultimately at one stage said, since you have less than 100 students, grants cannot be given. We again appealed against that. We said that is not a requirement of law at all. If the number of strength is less, then I can make up the fees of the students by which there is a shortfall.